Hello. Welcome back to my channel. You already know it's your girl, the real AP. And today, you see me, I'm about to reinstall this old little lace of mine. And I'm preparing my hair, putting me some oil, using some edge control to swoop back my edges. We getting right into the video. We don't got time to waste, okay? We put on that 26-inch bust down middle part, period, okay? So after I use my little edge control, I brush your bag, use my little band to make sure it's nice and flat. But right here, it wasn't flat enough for me. Like, my edges were still kind of straggly, kind of, you know, in the way. So, brush them back again, put the band on again. And yeah. Just continue that, leave that for like about 5 minutes. Using some alcohol, make sure it's 91%. That's the best. I really don't know if it's a percentage higher than 91%, but 91% is just really, really strong. And it just works for me, so definitely get 91%. This cap, I make sure I get the lightest color. Even with my clients who are darker, I still use you know, the lightest, like, nude. I'm going in with the what is this? Is this EBIN? No, that's not EBIN. Who is this? What's this black can? I forgot what can it is. But that black and yellow, I'm going to show y'all. Mixing it together. I am right. That's the EBIN adhesive glue. That right there. I haven't tried the red can. But the blue can, I mean, what am I talking about? The black can is hitting, and mixing it with the got to be yellow can for my temples to get that extra hold, because you know temples be lifting. Just mix that in there. Y'all see the video. Now I'm going in with my Fenty concealer. I think it's I don't even know why I'm even trying to show y'all. I think it's like 385, some old concealer. I'm just using that. You do want your makeup to be a little bit lighter than your actual color, because once you put it on there, it is going to appear a little bit darker. So when the glue was like dried, you know, make sure it's completely dry. That's when I put the makeup on and then cut it. I try to make sure it's at least or about 2 inches of glue, just to make sure my cap don't come off, child. I be moving too much. So about 2 inches of glue. Or not inches, 2 fingers worth of glue. Is that inches? I don't know, but just do the 2 fingers. I don't know if that's inches, but just definitely do the 2 fingers. And then I'm cutting around my hairline. Y'all already know. Closest to it as possible. I don't know what I was laughing at. I think they were saying something stupid on that show, but close as possible. I think that alcohol 91%, child, burnt the hell out of me. I must have had a cut or something, but I'm just showing y'all all the ingredients that I use. That black and yellow, and then the lace is the lace glue is the Kiss brand Kiss Almighty lace glue. This is my 2nd time using it, and I actually love it. No shade, but the boho got to be Ghost Spawn. All them other ones I'm not messing with. Take too long to dry. This one got a two tip, like 2 different tips. One skinny side for a precise, like, you know, application, and then the other side's like a more thicker side, as you see I'm using right now. And I just love it. Like, it dries so clear. Do you see that? Do y'all see how clear that is? And that was like about like 5 minutes. I'm sorry, y'all. I don't know why I'm yelling, but this install was just too smooth. Like, okay, AP. So now I'm pulling the lace down, as y'all can see. Y'all want to make sure y'all don't pull it too forward where it looks ridiculous. And then when you pressing your lace, make sure you use like a fine-tooth comb and kind of like press it in there. Sometimes our fingers don't really do the job, so you just want to use, like, you know, like the bristles or the little, like, you know, parts of the comb to press it down in there. Style my lashes, y'all. I don't know what I want to do. I don't know if I want to get another fill or if I want to go natural. So bear with me. But I'm just making sure I'm holding the other side while I'm pulling the other temple, and just to make sure that's secure, and just hold that in there. This is a 360 wig, but I'm only having this wig in for like a couple of days, so I'm not about to do the extras and try to glue the sides and the back and all that. So I'm just making sure any lace that's lifting, I press it in. Like I said, with the back of the comb or the front of the comb, however, just make sure you're just really pressing the lace into, you know, the glue. Because I've noticed, like, a lot of people, they'll just, like, put their wig on there, just comb it, and then just put the band. And you want to make sure, you know, each individual section, you make sure you go through and press the lace in the glue. Speaking of the glue, I didn't stay in there, but when you are using the glue, if you have noticed, I haven't used a blow dryer. I'm really just fanning it, because with the glue, I don't use a blow dryer. I just let the glue do its thing. And I just noticed that it makes my lace last a little bit longer. If you try to use like a blow dryer on like Gorilla Glue or any other kind of glue, I'm quite sure it's not going to stick the same. So that's just my same theory with lace glue. So you see I'm going back in with the EBIN Lace Wonder spray, the black can, and I'm just going in there, pressing it down, making sure I don't have anything lifting, because anything that's lifting later on, the whole lace will lift. So I just want to make sure you want to press down. As you see, I'm just fanning it. Y'all could use a blow dryer and use the cool setting. I think somebody was in the bathroom. I didn't feel like really getting up. So fanning is perfectly fine for me. And then adding my little band for a couple of minutes. Actually, no, I'm going to sleep. Yeah, I'm going to sleep. Wake up. Look at that skin. Real fresh. Then I'm going to take my band off once again. Brush all the hairs out the way. And then get some alcohol and wipe, you know, some of the excess glue that I didn't get to take off from last night. And then go in with the same concealer that I use on my cap. And, you know, put it on my lace just to blend a little bit more. Make sure all the hairs are not sticking. Then I'm getting some Spritz to put on any, you know, small little edges that's lifting. Putting some more concealer just to make sure it blends. And then I'm going to put the band back on just for a few minutes, because your child going to class, and make sure that wig is on properly. Saying good morning to my munchkin. Adding some curls, you know, since some of the curls fell from going to sleep. And then that's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope this video encouraged you to, you know, maybe if you have your own wig that someone else put on you, encourage you to reinstall it yourself. And then, you know, hopefully encourage yourself from starting from scratch, because it's really, really simple. Thank you guys so much again, and I'll see y'all on my next video. Bye. Say thanks for watching.